Hi everyone, and welcome to today's collaboration video hop. We are collaborating with the Collabs group on Facebook. They have a wonderful group of crafters that love making YouTube tutorials, and we've decided to partner up and showcase all WOW projects on their videos. So this is a hop, and when there's a hop, there's a giveaway, and today's giveaway is a $25 gift card. So please leave a comment along each person's video to be in the chance to win. Today I'm going to be playing with the Royal Emerald from the Ancient Jewels Trios. I love how elegant this is. It's very kind of patina-ish color range. Really love it. I've also got from one of our newest stamp sets. Now I believe this one is called Modern Winter Forest. Absolutely love how contemporary this design is. Now this is actually designed by one of our design team members, Verity. She's very talented as well. And I'm going to use my Misty to stamp on smooth WOW white cardstock. So we do have cardstock in our range, and this really helps with heat embossing. It's a smooth texture, and it's really great for stamping and really gripping onto the actual powder. We've also paired, I've used our very own embossing ink. Now this is called ultra slow drying ink, and it performs exactly as it says. I'm going to brush away any excess just with a soft bristled brush, and I'm just going to make sure I've poured generously over the top here. And you can see I've captured all that image well. Now I'm going to have heat setting 2, so that's the highest heat setting, and the fastest fan speed. And I'm also going to heat from behind because it's got some ultra high particles. It's got some gold ultra high particles in here, which I absolutely love, and it looks totally cool. Now once this is heat set, I'm going to trim it down to size so that it fits into a card front. Now I do take my time because I do enjoy the magic of heat embossing. Absolutely cool. I never get sick of it. Then just making sure I heat set it, and you can kind of see as I maneuver the actual panel how cool the gold flecks really stand out, but yet it has a colored undertone, and this one has a green undertone. And then what I've done is I've mounted it on some gold mirror cardstock on a side folding card base. I'm going to heat set the sentiment as well. Now this sentiment is also new and also designed by our own Verity again. I'm going to heat set the word Christmas, making sure I actually got a good crisp image. Now what I do, I use a scrap piece of paper to catch the fallouts and funnel that back into the jars. And here I've got the metallic gold rich. I'm also going to stamp the sentiment using Catherine Pooler spruce ink. And I'm just going to use it just there to the top right of the sentiment, as just make it look like a little add-on in a way. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of a hair trim. And I'm just going to do a side angle cut and adhere that down, just with some Tombow Mono adhesive. Now I don't think I really need to do any more. I don't need to add any embellishment between the gold heat embossing and the embossing powder, as well as the actual gold foil cardstock. It's done. My job is done. So again, this is a hop. Don't forget that the link to the next hopper is in the description below. To win a $25 gift card, you must make a comment along the way. So thanks for watching, everyone. I look forward to reading your wonderful comments here on the WOW YouTube channel. See you later.